everybody was raised differently, and everybody kind of thinks differently. But I think anywhere in the world, if you keep your promises and you keep your commitments and you keep your words of honor, I think you'll be a person that's respected anywhere you go. And I think that anywhere you go, people will believe you and trust you, and you develop a powerful, nurturing kind of relationship with people. When we don't have honor, and we don't have integrity, and we don't have the commitment to fulfill our promises, eventually we'll feel a sense of loneliness. Eventually we'll feel a sense of sadness. Eventually we'll feel a sense of isolation, because people don't want to be around us. So in ordinary secular life, whether it's with family, with friends, with co-workers, with kids, with business partners, whatever it is extremely important at all costs to keep our promises, keep our commitments, and 100% keep to our timeline. If we do that, we will find that it's easier to work with people. People find it easier to work with us. We'll find that our relationships become better. We find that people start to, respect us, and people like us. And when people respect us and like us, it's a good feeling. Who doesn't want to be respected and liked? Who doesn't? And in everyday life, that type of practice of integrity is extremely important for a happy, harmonious existence.